The rules. Let's keep this clean, keep it active. Obey my instructions at all time. Touch glove if you want, and back to your corners. Back to your corners, please.
Referee Mohammed Sulaiman giving
Judge,
our flyweights their final instructions.
Let's go!
Ырыскелди Dүйшeев in the gray, Magomedov in the green and black.
There's some of that lateral movement Magomedov is known for. Stay on the outside. He strikes back. Dүйшeев for the takedown early.
Dүйshev catching the kick, jumping on the back. Magomedov finds himself in a compromised situation as he's scrambling.
We see Magomedov trying to peel away that wrist grip. Does not want to let him throw in two hooks. Dүйshev taking his time. Such a good grappler, not rushing into the position. For Magomedov needs to build back his base. Easier said than done, you see. Dүйshev making it hard for him, going left and right, throwing these strikes. Good stuff.
Needs to separate those hands. Needs to start fighting those hands. Separate that grip. Dүйshev trying to get his back up against the ropes.
Let's go, let's
work his way back to his feet as Dүйshev.
Барына чексиз. Эмнелерге? Барына. Мессенджерлерге, социалдык тармактарга, чалууларга, фильмдерге, сериалдарга, телеканалдарга. 4 жумага 550 сом. Шашылгыла, барыбыз кошулабыз. Переходи на О. Барына чексиз.
Tries to get one hook in, pulling him back to the center of the ring, but Magomedov gets his back to the corner. Let's see if he can do anything with it as Dүйshev lands a nice little knee. Knees to the head of a grounded opponent are perfectly legal inside one championship.
Such a game-changing rule, Mitch. No stalling. Not many opportunities for stalling with these knees to the head.
I remember a guy named Gianni Suba who loved to knee people on the head when they were grounded. He was vicious with those. Oh, nice little somersault escape, but Dүйshev is hanging on as he secures side control here. Good little scramble for Dүйshev to end up in mount.
Dominance. Keeping on to the waist and rolling with it. That's how you stop your opponent from getting away. But Dүйshev again trying to get 2 hits in. Now gets the body lock position, Mitch.
Nice body triangle. Very fluid grappler is Dүйshev. Smooth in his transitions from position to position. Just one step ahead of Magomedov.
Told us that was the game plan coming into this one. When it hits the ground, Dүйshev told us Magomedov will not have an answer. His prediction is right at the moment. Magomedov struggling to gain any sort of success. He's still working hard, trying to scramble his way. He's got to unlock that figure 4 on the leg, try to put pressure on that ankle. But easier said than done again. Dүйshev, 6-0, undefeated. And this is how he gets his victories. He drags you to the ground, grinds you out, and then submits you.
Very high-level grappler. Dүйshev really wants that 6-figure contract, wants to face the best in the world, knows where the best flyweights are, and he wants to work his way up there. Magomedov doing a decent job at defending, needs to put his weight on that foot side so he can try to alleviate some of that pressure from that body triangle. This is exactly where Dүйshev wants to be.
The champ of the flyweight division, Demetrius Johnson, one of the best to ever do it.
Let's go.
That's who's at the top of the food chain. Dүйshev trying to make his way there, taking on this 8-1 athlete, Magomed Magomedov. Controlling his back position, but Magomedov doing good, keeping his hands active, not allowing Dүйshev to get the hand underneath him or any sort of submission attempt.
Dүйshev is right there in his corner, getting instructions from his head coach. Good job by Magomedov to get out of that triangle, but he's got to work his way back up to his feet. There's got to be a little bit more urgency.
Let go of the rope.
Dүйshev making it so hard, Mitch. Always pulling him forward, breaking down the base, making it hard for Magomedov to build that base to stand up. And when he does, he drags him right back to the ground. This is exhausting for Magomedov, and Dүйshev can do this all 3 rounds.
He's gonna have to be careful if this thing gets into that second round. Magomedov gonna have to rely on the hands, maybe abandon those kicks, because that was an effortless attempt on catching that kick and dragging Magomedov to the ground, and that's where we pretty much been.
Let's go.
Back 4 minutes.
And for Dүйшеев as well, but you got to remember, although this is a dominant position, he needs to take some risks, right? If you want to earn that respect, if you want to earn the attention of the big boss Chatri Sityodtong, you have to win impressively. At the moment, dominance, but not taking too many risks. Dүйшeев.
The finisher, Gianni Suba, telling it like it is, as Dүйšev lands some massive feet. He says he likes to take those O's from people, likes to break people in that deep water. What do you want to see from Magomedov in this round?
Magomedov on a fight winning streak, all 5 of those wins by finish, so he can change the pace of a fight at any moment. But he has to be careful here, he cannot overcommit. Try to catch Dүйšev coming in and land a big shot. Lost the knee up the middle like that, but again, Dүйšev is so aggressive when they get into these grappling exchanges.
The way he laced up those legs, just lassoed those legs, dragging Magomedov to the ground. Magomedov trying to utilize some up kicks, but Dүйšev just walked right through him, trying to push down the legs. Oh, here's a buggy choke attempt possibly, but looked like Dүйšev's just kind of getting his head squeezed, and Dүйšev looks like he's out of it. Nice little attempt from Magomedov, who's been away from his family for the past 12 years. Hasn't seen any of his family and friends for 12 years, chasing his dream to be the very best in the world. He's got to fight with some urgency here. He does not want to end up with 5 more minutes of this, I'm trying to say 4 more minutes of this, with Dүйšev on top, who might have a north-south choke in.
Catch!
Looks like he's a little bit up high on the face.
He's got to get the shoulders of Magomedov flat. This is a much stronger position.
Looks like he abandons it, doesn't quite feel the position's right.
But for Magomedov, who told us that challenges are what make men strong, he's having to go through a challenge right now. Dүйšev on the ground has been suffocating Magomedov. No success so far, cannot build his way back up. He needs to create some space, frame, try to create a scramble, but Dүйšev just one step ahead on the ground.
It's kind of like being in the water when you're caught in a fishing net. The more you struggle, the more you get tangled up in that net, and that's kind of what Dүйšev's doing. He's just allowing Magomed to move, right? He's not just holding him in position, but he's trying to set up submissions. He's looking for that finish, but he just can't quite find it because Magomedov is good enough to defend, but he's... Looks like Dүйšev thought about going to the mount, goes knee on belly.
Dүйšev again with small strikes here, trying to soften up Magomedov to open up an opportunity for something big. And Magomedov manages to create a frame to get back up to his feet, but again it is Dүйšev on that body lock. He's gonna look to pull himself down again. Second row through. Dүйšev again able to end up on top. Magomedov
did a good job of recovering guard. Now we can see what he's like off his back. There's got to be some urgency coming from Magomedov at this point. He's got to be threatening with submissions. He's got to be elbowing and fighting from the bottom.
6-0, Dүйšev. All finishes, 4 subs and 2 knockouts. Needs to turn up the urgency here. If you want to earn that contract, you have to fight with a sense of urgency. And at the moment, still playing a very conservative game. Needs to let the hands go, try to open up the back possibly.
This is a really good strategy for Dүйšev. Good up kicks. Trying to get Dүйšev off him, but Magomedov gets the legs tossed to the side, easily mounted. Magomedov does have 3 submission victories on his record, but...
Stop, injury time. Stop, let go.
There's no
injury
submissions
time
from the bottom. He likes to get on top and looks for the choke. It looks like he's complaining of a strike. Ырыскелди can't really get a good look at it, but Magomedov is good to continue lifting with his lean right hand. Magomedov trying to put some heat behind that right hand as he goes up high with a high kick.
Magomedov, this is the time to take the risks. Gotta try to catch Ырыскелди coming in. That's an uppercut attempt. Almost landed, but you gotta throw the Hail Mary now, Mitch.
Yeah, I saw him working a lot of knees up the middle this morning. I'd imagine he's trying to time that shot on Dүйшeев coming in with a possible knee, but he's definitely putting it all out there. He's trying for the spinning attacks. He's trying to go for his signature spins.
30 seconds left in the second round.
Dүйшeев stomping at the legs and utilizing those low kicks quite well.
Calf kicks from Dүйшeев. Magomedov with a couple spinning back fist attempts, head kicks, and an overhand right, really trying to land a bomb that will change the course of this fight. Because at the moment, it was all Dүйšeев on the ground. Another attempt.
Gets in nice and tight for the double. Dүйšeев. And last 5 minutes of this flyweight mixed martial arts match is underway. Big right hand, narrowly missed by Dүйšeев as he continues to work on that lead leg with those calf kicks.
Nice feints there with the double jab in the front hand. Again right as he goes into the hips. Dүйšeев just secures that takedown so fast, so strong on those takedown attempts. Takedown number 4, I believe, for Dүйšeев.
This has been a dominant performance for Dүйšeев, but he's got to step it up a little bit. You know, if you want to catch the attention, you know, of the higher ups at one championship, you got to put on performances, man. You got to be looking for the finish.
He did well in that second round. Once he popped up and threw some big strikes, he's able to move into the mount position. He needs more of that. Try to pop up, let this position go to transition into a better one. This is a very safe route for Dүйšeев. Staying in the guard, short strikes here, but not a finishing position.
If you want that call, right? If you want to get up into the big stage, you want to get the big leagues, you want to fight the best in the world, you got to put on performance. This is your opportunity. The spotlight is on you. What are you going to make of this moment? How badly do you want it? And right now, Dүйšeев needs to dig deep and look to finish this match. And same goes for Magomedov, right? He could be striking, he could be throwing elbows, doing a lot more here at the bottom. He's got to have some urgency to get back up, take some risks, throw up some submissions.
He has to take some risks. Exactly right, Mitch. Our 2 contract winners, Petjijan, Rambolek, 2 back-to-back highlight reel knockouts where they chased the action. They've taken risks, which has earned them that opportunity to win that $100,000 contract. And these 2 young men, they want that same opportunity. You gotta let it fly now.
Dүйšeев just sitting there in top position, right? He can step over, not trying to look to pass, ultimately cruising to a victory, but he's got to push a little bit here. Look at Magomedov, gets a butterfly hook, tries to elevate, create a little bit of space.
Both men have talked about their struggles coming into this opportunity, Mitch. A win here definitely moves them one step closer into bigger fights. But again, if you want to jump that ladder, Mitch, you have to show impressive performances. Dүйšeев, the dominance on the ground. You see Magomedov with a little bit of grapevine there on the right leg of Dүйšeев, but he needs to push up now. Now is not the time to hold for Magomedov. He needs to push on the hips, frame on the head like that. Look to pop off, dig an underhook in. Dүйšeев now passes. The side control.
But this is also uncharted water for Dүйšeев. He's got 6 wins on his record, a 100% finishing rate. He's finished everybody, right? Look at him easily stepping over into pound. Here comes the ground and pound. As Magomedov is trying to extend the hand. Look at Dүйšeев trying to find the finish, trying to get the TKO. He does. Yes, that gets
up to this contest. Your winner by way of technical knockout, Ырыскелди Dүйшeев.